Alright, just about to do a quick video. Remember when I first got my scrape pipe on my Scatpack, I did a cold start, but it wasn't really cold outside. It's getting colder here. It's like 60 something degrees. Plus I got the E85 kit in here. So I'm about to just do a cold start real quick, rev it a couple of times to see what it sounds like. Like I said, it's colder out. Plus got the E85 in here, so let's see what it sounds like.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here